How does the law ensure that every medicine reaching a patient is safe, effective, and of acceptable quality? Let us understand the Drugs and Cosmetics Act 1940, the Drugs Rules 1945, and their present regulatory framework. The Act establishes the legal framework, while the rules explain the detailed procedures, standards, licenses, forms, and regulatory conditions. Without regulation, substandard, adulterated, or falsely labeled medicines could reach patients and cause treatment failure or serious harm. The central objective is to control the import, manufacture, sale, and distribution of drugs and cosmetics throughout India. The law helps ensure that medicines possess the required identity, strength, purity, and quality before reaching the patient. Regulation follows a medicine throughout its journey, from development and manufacture to storage, sale, dispensing, and patient use. Legally, a drug includes medicines and substances used for diagnosis, treatment, mitigation, or prevention of disease in humans or animals. The definition also covers specified substances affecting body structure or function and components used in manufacturing a drug. A cosmetic is applied to the human body for cleansing, beautifying, promoting attractiveness, or altering appearance. A drug primarily has a medical purpose, while a cosmetic primarily cleanses or improves appearance. Product claims affect classification. Manufacture means any process like making, changing, decorating, finishing, packing, breaking up cosmetic to prepare it for sale or distribution. A drug is misbranded when its labeling, packaging, or appearance is false, misleading, or incomplete information, or fail to meet legal requirements. A drug is adulterated when its physical quality, purity, or safety is compromised by contamination, poor manufacturing conditions, or harmful ingredients. A spurious drug is an imitation. It copies another product, hides behind a fake manufacturer, or replaces the genuine medicine entirely. Today, approval of new drugs and clinical trials is primarily governed by the New Drugs and Clinical Trials Rules 2019. The Act protects patients through standards, licensing, testing, and enforcement. Next, we will understand its most important drug schedules.